Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to record desktop with VLC media player and provide full guide. So at first open your VLC media player, click on to media, then you get open capture device, press on, then you get this interface. Select capture mode to select desktop. Okay, and showing it to frame rate, FPS. Click on this arrow icon and showing it to convert, and you just select the save location, press on to browser, and I'm select download folder to save location. Press on save and just press on start, and again to play. Okay, now successfully showing it to start recording option. Push, and now it's start recording to stop recording. Okay, so that's it.